All right, guys. I meant to say lakefront, not lakeshore. A blue light cop, a black blue light cop told me that lakefront is closed. Well, I'm still in lakefront, talk to the water. I'm over here at the water. Say hi to the camera, water. Anyway, I went to lakefront and talked to the water. And you know what I told them? Soak up my feet, water. Soak it up real good. I'm waiting till this water soak up my feet. And I'm holding on tight to this phone. So I don't want this phone dropping in this water. Yeah. I'm trying to give me as much nature as possible to get away from this goddamn nasty ass matrix. Now, I want to hurry up and get back home, and I better do it before them blue lights come and get me. You know what? I should stay in longer since the sun's out. And the sun better be out. See, I'm not supposed to be here, but I can go where I want to, say what I want to, and do what I want to with no goddamn apologies. Oh, by the way, my dad called me and said he wanted me back home. See, I live with my dad. I'm gonna turn around and look at the sun. And I gotta hold on to everything I can because I ain't trying to drop this phone that I'm using to record this video up in this water. This is what I love to do. I love to go out and give me that nature. They gonna know my footprints are there. But the second time I done been to lakefront, I saw this right here. I saw that. That rock. And it's not just an ordinary rock. It's a rock of art. See that? What you think that is on that rock? A mermaid. I'm gonna go now to the beach. Look at all. I'm gonna show y'all the gang of birds on there in that beach. on the sand. I mean, this is what I love to do. I loved going out here to get me some nature. I want to visit the whole lake park. I can tell those policemen are sitting here. Now let a blue light come to me. Wait, did I say police? I'm sorry. Blue lights. I think there were blue lights sitting here. But as long as they ain't around, as long as those motherfuckers ain't around, I'm good. I'm just watching. I'm looking at the gang of birds. Shit will never be the same when this pandemic gets over. Shit never will be the same. This world is forever changed. But I'm not worried. It's alright. It's okay. Because all the chosen ones will have a new beginning. Y'all see them birds? Birds, say hi to the camera. That's all. This is all the nature. I'm finna hit a back upstairs, get on that bridge, and get home before those blue lights catch me. I saw 2 blue light officers rolling around in bikes. But as long As they know, as long as they don't bother me, I'm good. And I know that the ancestors are by my side. I'm finna go upstairs. I'm finna go back on the bridge and head home before those blue lights catch me. Peace. And let me know what y'all think about this.